Afternoon, year 5. Mr. Johnson here again. Today I'm going to be taking you guys on PE lesson number 3 of the spring term. So as you guys know, before we get started, we must do a warm-up. Okay, so just take some time to get ready, alright, and then press play and we can begin. Again, just rotating the arms, very simple, forwards and then backwards, then across. Now we're gonna start marching, so opposite hand, opposite leg, get your knees nice and high. It's not on the jog, just nice and controlled. We're going into some squats. We're nice and easy, you wanna stand, okay? Then squat down, like you're sitting on a chair, you're not going all the way down, then back up. All right, so knees, feet just shoulder width apart. That's it, nice and simple. Then a couple more. Down and then push up, nice and controlled, no rush. Right, so now we're gonna go into some lunges, so hands on your hips, and then lunge forward. All right, you don't want your knee to touch the floor, you want it to just brush. All right, just hover over the top of the floor, and then back up. Up, nice, straight back, push. There we go, nice and easy. Now getting back on the rotations on the arms. Now we're gonna work on the hips. Last couple seconds. Around. You wanna just kind of hold your foot around and just balance for a couple of seconds. You wanna stretch out your quadricep. That's your thigh muscle. Then down, then other foot. Alright, so guys, that is the warm-up completed. Okay, so pause the video, you might want to have a quick drink of water and then come back. Alright, press play and you can get welcome back, guys. Okay, so for today, again, it's just a progression on from last week, around the last couple of weeks. We're going to be continuing, alright, jumping and landing. Okay, so again, just for today, all you're going to need, similar to last week, just 2 things or 3, a couple of things you can use to leave a mark on the floor. Alright, so again, it can be a sock, it can be a piece of string, it can be rolled up newspaper, all right, just something you can put on the floor, okay, that we can jump on. Pause the video, get those things ready, and then come back, press play, and we can begin. All right, so guys, nice and simple for the first activity. All you're gonna need is just to set out the marker on the floor, okay, sideways. All right, I'm gonna take a few steps back, okay, and I'm gonna be talking you through the exercise as I'm doing it. All right, so guys, this one is very simple. All you're doing is you're gonna be hopping from one leg and pushing off and landing on 2. All right, so again, balance on 1, push off, land on 2. Nice and simple, okay? Notice how the landing is quite controlled. Okay, you don't want to be wobbling from side to side. You want to hold that still position, okay, and freeze on the landing. All right, as a challenge, if you want to test yourself, you might want to go a bit further, okay? Just increase the distance. All right, but the principle is the same. Alright guys, so this is just the reverse of the last one. So you're going to start on 2 feet and you're going to push off onto 1. Okay, so as you push off from 2 onto 1, you want to hold your balance, okay, on the marker. Alright, try and steady yourself, okay, to make sure that it's nice and controlled. Again, you want to be changing legs as you do so. Alright, do the exercise as many times as you feel is comfortable. Okay, but try to improve your technique as you do it. So again, push, land, stable. All right, and that's it. All right, so guys, for this one, as you can see, I'm standing on 1 leg. Okay, I've put the band side by side with a little gap in between. All right, and I'm just hopping, okay, changing my knee. All right, trying to keep a knee in the air as I go from side to side. Okay, getting enough power from 1 leg to the other and being stable on the landing. And there you have it. Okay, and now for the extension. All right, as you can see, I'm kind of jumping into a lunge. Okay, maintaining my balance on the line. All right, trying to keep it nice and controlled. Okay, nice and steady. All right, I'm gonna show you from another angle now so you can see a bit more clearly. I'm not sure if you can notice, but my knees aren't actually going into the floor. My knees aren't actually touching the ground. Okay, just nice and gently, I'm just hovering ever so slightly above the ground. All right, maintaining my balance and keeping my positioning. Alright, so there you have it. That is your lesson 3 for the spring term. Okay, make sure to go over those exercises, all right, a few times. Do it until you're comfortable. Okay, if you're finding it a bit easy, all right, then progress on to the next one, all right, and you can challenge yourself a bit, maybe hold the balance for a bit longer. Okay, and again, only if you're comfortable with those 3 exercises, then move on to the extension challenge at the end. All right, make sure to do these a few times over the week just to ensure that you are brushing up on your technique, all right, and getting the key point to the activity right. Okay, and also make sure that if you can, try and send us videos and pictures of yourself completing the exercise. Okay, so stay safe, work hard, and I'll see you in the next video.